Hello, welcome to this course, Systemverilog Assertions, a simplified approach. My name is Ajit Jose. I am a VLSI design and verification engineer with more than 10 years of experience with leading semiconductor companies. This is a basic level course that is teaching Systemverilog Assertions. Assertions are widely used in the VLSI industry, and it is an essential skill for both design and verification engineers. A design engineer must code assertions along with their RTL code, and also it is required that verification engineers often need to write their own assertions on top of what design engineers have written. Learning assertions might feel quite complicated when you refer a Systemverilog language reference manual, and this course is presenting a simplified approach to learn Systemverilog assertions. In order to make this course effective for you, you need to have the basic knowledge in Systemverilog. Inside the course, this course is divided into two parts. The first part is covering the basics of assertion, and the second part is covering sequences in detail. In the basics, you will learn immediate and concurrent assertions, cycle implication operators, sampled value functions, and simulation examples. And in the second part, you will learn in detail sequence expressions, cycle delay operators, and repetition operators. Both these parts are of length 1 hour each, and both of them will teach the concepts in detail with examples. Assertion itself is a very vast topic in Systemverilog. Almost all of them are covered in this course except few, which I have explained at the end of this course. No topics are explained too widely, and you will learn everything about writing assertions in just 2 hours. Thus, by the end of this course, you will be able to write assertions confidently with an overall picture of what assertion is in Systemverilog. Thank you for your interest in this course. I hope you will get enrolled to this course and you will learn a lot from this course, and happy learning.